Okay, boys and girls, this is our lesson for today. Our lesson for today is 3D shape. 3D shapes. And the direction tells us to cut and paste the correct shapes in the boxes. We have spear, cube, cone, and cylinder. And we're going to look down here at these shapes and we're going to cut the shapes and glue them in. Okay, you have this sheet in your blue folder, so I need for you to look in your blue folder and take out this sheet, 3D shapes. Miss Flowers is going to do this, and then you can go back and do it a little later. The reason Miss Flowers said you could go back and do it a little later because you may want to color your little shapes here before you glue them in the box. But you will need your scissors and your glue in order to do this exercise. So first, Miss Flowers has kind of gotten started, so it will kind of help you. First, we have to cut the bottom part. First thing we do is put our name on our paper. Take out this sheet, 3D shapes. But you can kind of put yours to the side, and you will complete yours a little later. We're going to work on this together. Okay? So, starting here. Okay, Miss Flowers, and cut the bottom part of the 3D shape. And we still have our spear, cube, cone, cylinder. And then we're going to glue our shapes in the correct order. Okay, so what we do is we cut the bottom part, what I did here, cut the bottom part, and then we will cut out each little square. Okay, so this is what Miss Flowers did. Cut out all the little squares, and then we're going to see where they go. Are they a cylinder? Are they a cube, cone, or spear? Okay? Remember, you have to have your scissors and your glue. Your scissors and your glue. Okay. Looking at the first picture here, we can say this is a picture of a, what is that? A cylinder. Okay, before Miss Flowers go any further, let's see. It says a spear. Spear. A spear looks like a ball. What does a spear look like, boys and girls? A ball. Good. Cube. A cube looks like a box. What does a cube look like, boys and girls? A box. Here, cone. A cone looks like a party hat. What does a cone look like, boys and girls? A party hat. Then it says a cylinder. A cylinder looks like a can. What does a cylinder look like, boys and girls? A can. So looking at our first picture here, this little picture here, it looks like a what? A can. So we know we would cut this and glue it under our cylinder. So Miss Flowers already had them cut for you. We're going to glue it under our cylinder because it looks like a what? A can. Okay? Now, let's look at our next picture here. If we go across, this looks like a what? Kind of like a box. So this would be a what? We would put it under what? A cube. That's right. We would put it under a cube. Okay? Okay? And since Miss Flowers had them cut, we're going to look at, well, let's look at another one. This looks like a what? A ball. This looks like a ball. Okay, boys and girls, so I will take this one and put glue. It looks like a ball, so it will go under what? Spear. A spear. Good. Under a spear. Okay? Now let's look at our next picture here. Look at our picture here. And that looks like a what? Kind of like a, that's right, a party hat. A party hat. So we're going to take that one. And if it looks like a party hat, where do I need to put it? That's right. I need to put it under the cone. Under the cone. Okay, good. Okay, let's try a few more. Looking at this one here, it's kind of look like a what? What is that? Looks like a what? A box. That's right, a box. So we will put it under, which one looks like a box? That's right, a cube looks like a box. So we will put it under the cube. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at another one. This looks like a what? If we turn it upside down, it could look like a party hat, but it looks like an ice cream cone. It's a what? A cone. So where do we put it? Up under the cone. We will put it under the cone. Okay? Now we have a few more. So if I pick up this, boys and girls, tell me where would I put it? It goes under the what? That's right, under the spear. It goes under the spear. Okay? And remember, Miss Flower, a good thing with Miss Flower showed you all a way of doing, so we wouldn't have to put glue on each one. We could just put a little glue here, a little glue here, a little here, and some here. And that way we have all of our, okay? If I pick this one up, what does this look like? That's right, a can. It looks like a cylinder, so we will put it here, okay? And we have this. What does this look like? It looks like a cube. Very good, boys and girls. It looks like a cube. So we're going to put it here. Good job. And we could say, and this looks like, what does this shape look like? Where would I put it? That's right. It goes under the cone. Under the cone. Okay? And looking at this shape, boys and girls. This shape, what is this shape? This shape is like a ball. Look like a spear. A spear. So we will put it under the spear. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at this one. This is our last shape. Our last shape. What does this shape look like? A cylinder. This shape is a cylinder. Where will we put it? Where will we put this shape? This shape under the cylinder. Good job, boys and girls. Good job. Just remember, we have our 3D shapes. We have sphere, cube, cone, and cylinder. Good job. Now, you could do this lesson. Make sure you have your sheet, you have your scissors, and your glue. And if you choose, you can color the shapes. This concludes our lesson.